Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Suvega, your Feng Shui guru and paranormal expert. Shout out to Edward Allen Rato, Martin Rato, Kenneth De Guzman, Roberto Cerezo, Jan Tover Cruz. If you want your names be shouted here, just comment below. Today is the 11th of January 2024, and it is Thursday, the day of the dog. Best colors for the day is violet. Best things to do for this day of the dog: go to a market, go to a mall, go to a bank, go to an ATM machine, go to a karaoke house, or sing along with the video in YouTube. Play the piano, play the sax, play the guitar, play the violin. Go somewhere towards northwest. Give charity to the old men.